Hello and welcome. Just a cheeky little unbox from WePrint Miniatures. I found myself wanting, so I ordered a few little things. Oh, bless. Okay. Right, so there we go. We've got 4 bases because I've ordered 4 miniatures. So what I ordered was a dwarf vampire hunter and a Robocop there he is. Look. I can't remember what they designate him. But he's definitely a Robocop. Dun 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 dun. Nice. Sorry about the music. And then there were 2 mystery figures that went with it. So what else have I got? I've got some kind of anime. Kind of like a One Punch Man. Huge head though. Do something with that. And what have we got here? Some kind of sci-fi brigand, maybe. That's nice. And then my dwarf hunter. Oh yes. Now that'll go really nicely with the one that I did, the one where he's standing on an ogre's head. I love these dwarf figures. It's a lovely amount of detail. You can see he's got like a spike there for vampires. His axe is also a gun. Yeah, like that a lot. So there you go. That was my cheeky little delivery that I bought off WePrint Miniatures. Please make sure that you check out their website and use the code to get another 10% off your order. Thank you very much. Take care. See you soon.